Hi, I'm Gil from Testing Gil. In this series I'm talking about APIs and API testing. How to come up with test cases, how to figure out what's important to test, and what we need to understand when we're building a plan. APIs are interfaces, it's in their name. Interfaces in software allow us to decouple the what from the how, the function from the implementation. For example, when I'm using a REST goal, like this, I don't care what's the implementation like, or what kind of server they're using, what kind of language they use to build it, or what database they're using. And that's a good thing. If I build a backend, for example, that means I can replace the database or start moving from Java to Node, and you, the user, wouldn't know anything about it. It gives me flexibility. Oh, love that black box smell. But do we want to use that black box feeling when we're testing? Would it make testing better? Wait, what does testing better even mean? Well, the purpose of testing is we want to learn and then report as much as possible about our system. The good, the bugs, and the ugly. Testing better means gaining more of that information. Okay, so is black box testing better than white box testing? Checking the API behavior without knowing how it's built behind the scene? Well, not really. Here's an example. Let's say you have two architectures, options for how you build the APIs. Here's the first one. Everything, controller, logic, and database, all in a single box. Here's the other option. Here's everything, the controller, the logic, and the database have their own container. Same code, same frameworks, but different setup. Now, if you used the internet before, and I'm counting this as not the first one, you know that in the second option, there's a good possibility of connectivity and latency issues. In the first one, not so much. Well, does this knowledge of how the system works change our testing plans? Well, it should, because I would budget some time to check how the system behaves when the system deals with connectivity and maybe database vanishes in this kind of architecture, but not much time here. The first option, I would probably not test that and leave some time to other things. So when I started testing, I was told to ignore what the developers did. With our systems today, it's pure negligence to disregard any architectural design code information when we're testing. We want more information, and we want to make better use of our time. Knowing what's happening inside is essential for testing better. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and check out my other videos as well. Leave me some comments down below. Thank you. Bye-bye.